Well, you don't count.
Yeah, he does.
I don't.
He swings the boat around here. We were a tie. He swings it. He's a swing boat. You're driving our child to boat your way. So you're fixing the driveway with wood chips?
Yep.
Okay.
I got big old craters all around, so I filled them in with wood chips, and when it decomposes, guess what it turns into?
Dirt. Dirt.
And until then, I got a smoother road.
It's supposed to rain all day tomorrow.
There, that'll be good for all this. It'll help pack it all down.
No, Daddy.
Yeah, just Daddy can throw it on him.
Watch out. Who do you think you are?
Hey friends, how are y'all doing today? We are gonna get our video started by doing a baby bunny check. Let's see how our girls are doing, see how the bunnies are doing. It's almost time to rebreed the girls, so look for that video coming up next week. But let's check on these babies. Hi, my nosy Rosie. Let's shake your babies, girlfriend. Look how big. Oh my gosh, they're so big. Look how big these guys are getting. Hi. Oh my goodness. Y'all are so stinking precious. Hi. Such wiggly little babies. Y'all, they grow so fast. Oh, look. Oh. Their little eyes are finally open. They have all their fur. They're getting their colors in. Oh my good gracious, they are precious. In about a week, they'll start getting out of the nest box and hopping around inside the tractor. Oh, y'all, these guys grow so fast, it's just amazing to me. Look at the baby. Be gentle. Good job.
Hey, I touched him.
You touched him.
Hey.
Oh.
I want it.
No, let Mama hold it. It's still too little for you to hold. Oh. Hey, sweet baby. Look how big their feet are already getting. Oh my goodness. It's so funny. Y'all, these babies are getting so big so fast, and I'm so excited for it. I love it. Can't wait to see them hopping around the tractor and eventually in the rabbit colony. It's gonna be awesome. If you have not heard of our rabbit colony plans, I will link the video where I discuss the 5 things we want to get done first in 2022 down below. That way you can see what I'm talking about. But I'm super excited for this. Seeing those 9 healthy babies makes me so happy. I love it. So guys, the mulcher is fixed. You didn't see where it was broken. I will roll some footage now. Y'all, look at this. like the plastic broke off there. Here.
Here.
So this whole corner was loose and it's not holding in place. How are you doing over here, sir? So you're just JB welding the metal pieces on now? This is the JB weld he is using. What do you think, guys?
I think
It's got metal on the inside. JB welded to the plastic. So you can see the metal pieces that he JB welded in so that he could screw back into the plastic.
It's dirty.
It is dirty as dirt.
And dirty dirt. Dirty dirt. Dirty dirt.
He is dirty dirt, he's saying. What do you think of your fix job? You think it works pretty good? You've been out here mulching for several hours now. It stays in place. It makes it a little smaller. Is there anything you would do different if you had to redo it? No.
Ow.
So it was easy fix, quick fix.
What do you want to do? Use a different
Saved me
type of
$100.
epoxy?
Yeah. Listen to your wife and use epoxy when she tells you to. Because that's what worked. Oh yeah, it's an epoxy.
Epoxy with steel.
It's still an epoxy. Just because it's a still epoxy does not mean it's not an epoxy. It's an epoxy.
It's my epoxy. It's my epoxy.
It's an epoxy, right, buddy?
It's my epoxy.
He's on my side.
Well, you don't count.
Yeah, he does. He swings the boat around here. We were a tie. He swings it. He's a swing boat.
Who you with? You with mommy or with daddy?
You want mommy? You with mommy? Hey, are you on mommy's team? Are you on mommy's team?
Mommy's
Hey,
team.
you be on daddy's if I go get you a cookie.
Are you driving the boat?
You wouldn't know what you were just doing?
No, I asked if he was on mommy's team. You're offering cookies.
Hey?
You're bribing her child to vote your way.
Worked, didn't it?
You should be ashamed of yourself. I come out here to dump my compost, and would y'all look at this mess? Like, seriously. Would y'all look at this mess? My garlic is like sprouting big time. This is so tall. Oh my goodness. So you're filling in the holes with the wood chips so that they'll break down and make dirt and make the driveway even. But it'll be good enough to move the RV in 2 weeks, right? We got a lot of work ahead of us to get this RV moved in 2 weeks. So for a mulching update, all of that over there, all of this over here is now clear of mulch. And then we have all of this that has to be mulched still. So, a lot of this right here looks like mostly pine straw.
Oh no.
Oh no, fix it. Oh, fix it.
Fix it.
Oh, fix it.
Well, I can't fix it. It's broke.
Grasshoppers.
Something right there in the middle of the driveway.
Grasshoppers.
There's grasshoppers where? There's grasshoppers in the woods?
Grasshoppers. What?
Probably.
Bye, friends.
Good morning.
We will see y'all on Monday.
Good morning.
No, we will see y'all on Monday.
Good morning.
Yeah, see y'all on Monday where we talk about the pantry challenge.
Good morning. Good morning.
Okay, we'll see him in the morning.
We'll see y'all on Monday where we talk about the pantry challenge that we will be doing through January and February, the 3 Rivers Challenge. If you want more information on eating out of your pantry and not going to the grocery store, tune in on Monday at 8 for that video.
Like get truck.
Bye, friends.
Ready. Already. Apens. Hey, get some sticks. Oh, get out.